Hi everybody, this is Robert Rivera with Rivera Trading Group in association with Trend Trading Academy. And here's another edition of waiting in the car while my wife is having therapy. And I figured I would take the time to talk about risk management. On the last video I spoke about risk management, and perhaps some of you don't know what that is or how to properly use risk management. As traders, primarily what we are is risk managers. We manage risk because since we don't control the market, all we can do is manage the risk. What we put in is all we can manage. And then once we put it in to the market, the only thing we can manage is, the only thing we control is how we execute that trade. You know, how far we let it go in profit, how far we let it go in loss. You know, that's what we manage. We can't control really anything else. And so what is recommended, I mean, there's all sorts of people out there showing ridiculous amounts of profits that are just unrealistic, really. I mean, once you have gained the skill, you can make a lot of money, you know? But to show that huge amount of money as if a new trader could do it, no. It should be inspiring for what can be attained. But as a new trader, you should not fall into the myth that you're going to come in and start making thousands of dollars right away. The first thing that you need to learn is how to be consistent. Once you are consistently blue, as we call it, then you'll be able to increase your lot sizes. But in the beginning, I would say you should not risk really more than 1% of your account. 3% as a max is what we say, which is, by the way, 0.01 for every $100 in your account. So the lot size will be 0.01, which is 10 cents for every $100 in your account. That comes out to be 3% risk if you allow yourself a 30 pip drawdown, for example. But as a new trader, I don't recommend you even do that. What I recommend as a new trader is that you do maybe a 1% risk. That is after, by the way, that is after you have done demo. After you have done demo and you have doubled that demo. After you have done demo and you have doubled that demo, and I'm asking you also to use a realistic demo. You know, if you're going to open your account with $1,000, it won't help you to have $100,000 in your demo account or $50,000 in your demo account using jumbo lot sizes that make you dream of what you can make when you come back to reality and realize you can't make that with your $500 account. It has no value. So if you can open a demo account with $1,000, let's say if that's the goal that you're going to start with, then that will be more realistic. Double that, and then perhaps even double that again. Then you will have proven to yourself that you can do that consistently. That only really gives you the technical skills on how to do it. You still don't know the emotion of it until you put real money at risk. That's where trauma usually happens, because people start using large lot sizes and then have massive losses trying to win, and then when they lose, revenge trading because they're trying to win bigger, you know? So as a new trader, this is what I recommend. This is my job as a Forex educator in Trend Trading Academy, is to educate the beginners. So that's my focus. You know, I figure there's thousands of people who are just starting their journey or about to start a journey, and this is what I recommend. Do not risk more than 1%. So if you have $1,000 account, your max lot size should be $1. Okay, that's 3%. Now I'm going to suggest to you to only use 30 cents. 30 cents if you have $1,000 account. And work on that, and work on that, and work on that, and work on that. If you can be consistently blue for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks in a row, then perhaps you can raise your lot size and see how you manage that. Okay, once you get to the 3% max, let's say of $1, again, I'm talking about a $1,000 account, $1 per lot size. See how you manage that. You know, when I was learning how to do this, and I was trying to increase my lot sizes, my emotions were just all over the place. I couldn't manage it well. And so Jay, my mentor, Jay Wayne is my mentor, told me, Robert, stick with the $5 lot size. You're doing well with it. Stick with that for a year. And that's what I did. I stuck with that $5 lot size for a year, and now I can manage the $10 lot size pretty well. I venture into the $20 lot size pretty well, consistently. I mean, my emotions are not completely there just yet, but that's still only 2% risk of my account. So again, and I'm being successful. I'm consistently growing my account. So it doesn't make any sense, and I'm trying to encourage all of the new people. Please don't get deceived by the massive lot sizes of people who have already had the experience of the years of trying, if they are actually traders, versus also the ones that are just trying to fake you out into a program that doesn't really work because it's showing you demo profits. Okay, the proper way to do this is to build it slowly, and a 1% risk at the beginning. Actually, that's what I do. I mean, most of the time that's what I do, the 1% lot size. I'm done trying to impress anybody with my gains. I just simply use my when I'm using that 1% lot size, I can let that thing do pretty much whatever it wants. It's gonna come my way if I have done proper risk management and proper structure. And if it hits my stop loss, it hits my stop loss. It's still only 1%. I'm good. You get what I'm saying? If you are risking too much and it goes against you, you're gonna freak out. And then after you close your trade, you see it come back your way, because it was coming back your way anyway. Anyway, this is already too long of a video. I just wanted to share with you that risk management is where it's at for traders, new and old. Risk management is where it's at, and I recommend 3% max, which is 0.01 per every 100. That's the max. But for a brand new trader, no more than 1%, which on a $1,000 account, that will be 30 cents. You know, on a $500 account, that's about 15 cents. All right, guys, that's it for now. This is Robert Rivera with Rivera Trading Group in association with the Trend Trading Academy. God bless you.